Hey guys, I'm your host ATA aka Anand, and oops, I just broke Brock Lesnar's hand, and honestly, I never thought I would say those words in my life. Okay, that makes sense. Since the joint is still inside the body, it might be a bit easier to work with. But hey, if this ever happened to your figure, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it. So, when compared to other figures, this one's body is completely taped out. To fix Lesnar's hand, grab a small box cutter and carefully expose the skin, aka tap, on both sides of the body. This might take some time, but go slow. You don't want to tear the tape because we'll use it later to seal everything back up. Now once the body is exposed, you'll find a small screw in the middle of the back. That's what holds the two body frames together. Unscrew it, gently pry the body part, not fully, just enough to access the missing piece of his left arm. When you look inside, you'll clearly see the joint is broken. This is common with these cheap and fragile toys. No offense, Flex Force, you could have done it better. Let me bring out my savior, Flex Quick Glue. This stuff has helped me so much in the past. If you ever seen my older videos, place a tissue underneath to protect surface and carefully apply the glue to the joint. Let it dry for a few hours. Don't let it stick in your hands. Be careful. Once it's dried out, you'll see the joint is now stronger than ever. Reopen the body slightly, place the fixed arm piece back in position, and press the body shut. It might be stiff, so apply some pressure. Then screw it back together and start sealing it. Peel the tape skin back down. And to blend everything in, use a brown or pastel tape to match the skin tone. Then use a black insulation tape over that for a clean finish. Top it off with the red custom Beast logo that I already have, and cello tap it and trim off some extras. And boom, that's how we fix the beast. And this figure is actually a custom I made 5 years ago, and I'm still super proud of it. I made a few updates over time and you can check them in my Instagram, links in the description. I might still update the face later since the color didn't blend too well. And he's ready to deliver those signature moves again. And right now, it kinda looks like a bloody mess. But hey, the arm still works. And that's how we fix these cheap bootleg figures. And until next time, thank you for spending your valuable time from the channel. Peace.